Hey, to record screen on the Nothing Phone 2a, just open this quick settings. Now swipe, you don't even have to swipe, just click right here on this icon. Now scroll down and find the screen recorder, it's just right here. Now you have to click and hold it and drag wherever you want, for example here, and then just go back. And now we can actually find the screen recorder here, so when you click on it, you can actually select if you want to record this device internal sound, external from your microphone, or for example both of them, so you can decide. Next, you can also show touches on the screen if you want to guide someone for settings, and then click start. And as you can see now on the right side we've got the counter, and the device is actually recording our screen just like this. Now if you want to finish this record, you can just swipe up and simply click on the record screen and audio stop. Now click just right here on this record
at the counter,
and as you can see and as you can hear, that's our screen record stop. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.